This is the Ultrahuman Ring Air, and in this video I'm going to unbox it, set it up, put it on my finger, and then also do a full review. I need to wear it for some time to be able to compare it against my Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Alright, this is the box. Pull to open. Ta-da! The Ultrahuman Ring Air. Sleep, HRV, movement and temperature tracking. Brand name Ultrahuman. The product is the Ring Air. It's a smart ring for you to wear on your hand. And the first thing I want to share with you guys is like, how do we know which size is for you? It's not a smartwatch where you can very easily adjust the band. But don't worry, if you decide to order this, by the way, this will cost you €379 from the Ultrahuman.com website. They're going to ship first something called the Air Ring Sizing Kit. And not only will you get a full option to try all the sizes, you're also going to get the Ultrahuman Ring Sizing Kit guide. So first you have to choose a sample ring, decide where you want to wear it, like index, middle or ring finger, and then they advise you to do the 2-night sizing test. Basically, how does this work? Now, I know that my size is 10. You need to make sure that you're wearing this with the sensors on the bottom, so I'm gonna wear it on this finger here, right? Like sleep one day, sleep another day, and just decide if that's the size for you, because again, there are plenty of options. My size is size 10, hence I ordered size 10. And then you're gonna see something called the Aster Black, but they will also give you a sample from all the designs. So we have Raw Titanium, we have Aster Black, this is the one that I ordered, you have Matte Gray, you have Space Silver, and also Bionic Gold. Now, how cool is this, guys? But very important, just make sure that you have ordered the right size, because this is something you might want to wear and it really needs to be comfortable. Okay, now let's try to see what we have inside the box. Ultrahuman Ring Air accurately measures sleep, recovery and movement to provide actionable health and insights daily. And on this side we have again sleep, HRV, movement and temperature tracking. How do we open this thing, guys? All right, like this. Okay. Wow, take a look at this thing. It's really beautiful. Wow, this is the ring. They say it weighs only 204 grams, but I can tell you it feels like almost nothing. See, it's really very lightweight. So how do I put it? Oh my god, yes, this is definitely my size. And remember, guys, you need to put it with the sensors on the bottom of your finger like this, so that it can really do all the readings properly. You've got your hands on more than just a ring. It's a personal compass in your health journey. The Ring Air combines the best of form and functionality to decode the science behind your sleep and recovery. And we all know how important sleep and recovery is. Your fingers are data gold mines. With their higher blood flow and arterial density, they are the ideal location for capturing the most accurate biomarker data. This data is then distilled into personalized and actionable insights, helping you to understand your health better. The Ring Air is designed to encapsulate your health markers like sleep, HRV, movement, temperature in a minimal yet powerful body crafted out of titanium and coated with tungsten carbide. Its sleek and minimalistic design is inspired by the philosophy that the best tools are often discreet and eventually become an extension of you. And I think, yeah, this is really well set with this thing on your finger. Think of the ring as your personal head compass, nudging you towards a healthier version of yourself. As you wear it, you're not just tracking data, you're taking action towards understanding the state of your sleep, recovery and movement in the larger context of your overall health. Now, all you have to do now is begin. All right, very stylish. Decode the science of your sleep and recovery. All right, I'm gonna put this aside. Hello, Cyborg. All right. What is this here? It's a user manual. It's getting you started. How to charge your ring. So cool, guys. And inside, of course, get wired, right? This is the charging station. So cool. S10 Ultrahuman Ring charging dock. Some very cool stickers are also inside. Place the ring correctly on the charging dock, align the ring in the correct orientation. How can we do this, guys? Let me just remove the ring from my finger. All right. You can see here, this matches the form with the ring, so there is no other way for you to place it. It's going to only stick like this. Get wired. I can tell you guys, I really like the design. This is the cable, by the way, a braided cable. When you connect the charging dock to a power source, it's going to blink purple to show that you are ready to go. Then place the ring on the docking station and then it's going to blink in white to show you that the ring is getting charged. And do this for 30 minutes before you pair it for the first time as per the instructions. Download the latest Ultrahuman app from the Play Store. We need to also make sure that the ring is charging for at least 30 minutes, and then make sure that Bluetooth is set to on our phones, and then start the pairing process, but keep the ring on the dock while you're doing this for the first time. All right, now while the ring is charging, I'm gonna go and do this. Ultrahuman, is my Bluetooth on? It is. So connect the ring. I'm gonna press connect. Plug in the ring charging dock into a power source. All right, continue. The LED on the charger will turn purple. That's true. Place the ring on the charger and the LED should now turn to white. Let's press continue. Charge the ring at least for 30 minutes. All right, continue. And now allow. All right. Please put the ring on the charger and wait while connecting to the ring. All right, now we should be able to connect. This is my ring, my design, my size. Start my journey. Now guys, something is very important about this app. There is no subscription required. So basically all what you need to do is just pay for the ring, and then you should be able to use this all along. Now, you can go from profile and apparently set your profile. Here we do have the main menu with all the zones, with the individual markers like the cardio age and the skin temperature, the HRV, the resting heart rate, the VO2 max, smart goals, also the timeline, and plenty of other stuff. Now, if I click here, guys, you're gonna see that my ring is connected and that it only has 8% of battery and I'm charging it. And I really love the indication here. So we have some options, of course. We have ring airplane mode, we have the power saving mode and the auto power saving. But auto power saving will automatically switch your ring into power saving mode when you reach 20% battery and below. And because I'm below 20%, I cannot turn off the power saving mode. We do have also the locate my ring option. So see here, guys, I'm gonna start looking and it's gonna tell me 84 centimeters. This is really crazy. Share my location. You can see the model, the firmware. By the way, there is the check for updates. So you are on the latest firmware. Right now, this is 02000652. This is the installed one and of course the latest one. All right, let's just go back. You can factory reset the ring, soft reset it. You can set up a new ring, you can disconnect. Plenty of options. And you can, by the way, see like it's charging fairly quick. And this battery, yes, I really can't wait to test it. I just hope I'm gonna get like 5-6 days out of it because yeah, with the Watch Ultra, it's 2-3 days max. Let's see what other things we have here. This menu will show you other products like the Ultrahuman M1 that is out of private beta. So this is a biosensor to monitor your glucose continuously and to visualize your data and stuff like this. Then we have here the zones menu. Welcome to zones, share your scores with friends or set up zones. And then we have the discover. Discover metabolic fitness, tips to control the high blood sugar, the maximize workouts with recovery, some video links, the Ultrahuman podcast and workouts, and it's everything here, guys. Should be able to access it for free. The main data is going to be here. So right now, of course, I don't have any data to show. The plan is for me to start wearing this, and of course, I'm going to periodically report you. So you can see here, the first day that I install this is the 30th of December. That's why I don't have any prior data. And before I start my journey with the Ultrahuman Ring Air, let me try to set some things straight here. So apparently this is a smart ring and there is no display here. So you have to always like rely on your phone to check the data that the ring gathers. And although being below 3 grams, this thing is packed with technology. It has a Bluetooth chip that communicates with your phone. It does have also an SpO2 sensor. This means that it can read your blood oxygen levels, and also an optical heart rate sensor to read your HR data. But guys, remember I told you temperature. So this thing has also a skin temperature sensor and also a movement sensor. And all of this, guys, is just stuck in here. So boom, you put it on your finger. You need to make sure that you align the sensors here. If you're not a fan of smartwatches, or let's say you want to wear your classical watches, this thing is then a must for you because it will still allow you to get enough data about your fitness and about your sleep and everything else. So now I'm going to put this baby back on the charging dock, start wearing it, guys, and I'm going to update you in a week or two. What is my experience with this? How close is the data I'm getting here from the data I'm getting on my Watch Ultra, and also share my full review with you. And if you like videos like this, you can watch some of my previous stuff. Thank you so much for staying here. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.